In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Asana email notifications. If your inbox is filling up with task updates and summaries from Asana, this quick walkthrough will help you cut down the noise while still keeping your work organized inside the app. Start by opening Asana on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a window where you control how Asana communicates with you and how your account behaves. At the top of the Settings window, select the Notifications tab. This is where email preferences live, and it's the central place to fine-tune what arrives in your inbox. You'll see options that cover the most common types of messages Asana sends. To stop the general emails, uncheck activity updates, mentions only, and daily summaries. Turning off activity updates prevents those frequent emails about task creations, completions, comments, and due date changes. If you manage a lot of projects, this one alone can dramatically reduce clutter. Unchecking mentions only stops emails that arrive when someone tags you or mentions you by name in a task or comment. If you rely more on Asana's in-app inbox or check your tasks regularly, you might not need mention emails coming through as well. Finally, disabling daily summaries removes the digest-style email that recaps what happened across your work each day. Many people prefer to get that overview directly inside Asana rather than in their email. As soon as you uncheck these options, the change takes effect. There's nothing else you need to confirm. You'll still see updates inside Asana itself, so you won't miss important changes. You're simply choosing not to receive them in your email inbox. Keep in mind that essential account or security messages may still come through, which is normal for most services. If you decide later that you want a few messages back, you can return to the same notifications tab and re-enable only what you find useful. Some people like keeping mentions only on while leaving activity updates and daily summaries off, so they're alerted when they're directly needed but aren't swamped by every change. That's all you need to do. By adjusting these three settings, you can keep your inbox focused and let Asana be the place where work updates live. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, quieter email experience while staying productive in Asana.